Fantastic. I love the energy. It's a beautiful Friday morning. Thank you so much for joining us this morning here at CSI's campus. We are so lucky to have a park-like campus in the middle of Twin Falls. Yes. On behalf of our board of directors, we want to say thank you so much for your generosity, for your donations. We were able to purchase at this point in time 4 benches to be placed along the loop on campus.
2, 3.
Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your support. This means a lot to not only the Over 60 program, but to the whole community, because this is such a fabulous campus that we can utilize these benches. And we'll continue to support the community. But that Give Back program allows us to do that.